Hey veterans, Travis Studdard, Veterans Disability Attorney. I want to talk to you about something that I see some veterans overlooking in their claim for VA disability compensation benefits, and that is this. If you are filing on certain disabilities and getting to some of the higher disability ratings for those conditions, you need to see if you would potentially qualify for individual unemployability benefits. In essence, does that disability keep you from performing work as it's usually done in the workplace? So two of the ones I've spoken on these individually, but I'm going to lump them together here. If you are at the 70% level for PTSD or general depression, general anxiety disorder, something, generalized anxiety disorder, something along those lines, any sort of mental health condition at the 70% level. Remember, you qualify for those ratings when you have occupational and social impairments in most areas, and those include the inability to adapt to stressful situations that are in a work-like setting, which again, that right there should clue you in. But if you are at that level, ask yourself, should I apply for IU as well if you're not working currently? Also, another one I've spoken on recently is the 50% migraine disability rating. With that one, again, it calls for severe economic in-adaptability, and again, that's simply saying that you can't cope with a normal work schedule. You can't keep up because your migraines are frequent enough that they're taking you out of work to the point where your employer is not going to be happy and may not be able to keep you in that position because they need someone who's more reliable and steady. There's other ratings too. I mean, a 60% heart rating could potentially clue you in that you need to apply for IU benefits. As a general rule, I would say this: any rating that's getting to the top of the scale, 70% or higher, or if it's the maximum rating for your particular disability, then obviously that's a fairly severe condition, and you may need to consider applying for individual unemployability, as well as any sort of increase that you may be entitled to get you to that maximum rating for that particular disability. So again, 70% on any sort of mental health, 50% on migraines. Any others that are kind of pushing that 50-70% level may qualify you as well. And again, this applies if you're not able to work. If you're still working, then of course you're not going to qualify for individual unemployability unless you're, of course, under the poverty thresholds with it. So again, don't overlook that. If you're don't just get so narrowly focused on the disability itself. Look at the bigger picture. How is it impacting the rest of your life? How is it impacting your ability to obtain and keep employment? If it is an issue, then again, consider filing for IU benefits. Hope you like this. Check out our other videos, and we will catch you next time. Thanks for watching.